my guess is that's not your comfort talk to your clients who are nervous about last year. Well, don't worry. If we go up the first 5 days, if my knee hurts when it rains, markets are going to go up. But it's still, I guess, maybe a little bit historically comforting, or no?
Sure. You search for any of those things that are comforting in the moment. Absolutely. Yeah. So I'd much rather it be heading up the first 5 days than heading down.
Yeah, I suppose if you wanted to find comfort, you'd say, well, it's better that we did it than we don't. It may not happen. Are you surprised by, and again, we're not making too much over a couple of days, but we ended the year weak. Are you a little bit surprised by how we've started the year at all?
I'm chuckling because I've been doing this 40 years, and I don't get surprised by a whole lot anymore. So I had no expectations what the first 5 days would bring us, and wouldn't be surprised what the next 5 days bring us either, I don't think.
Yeah, and the only reason I bring up, and I agree with you, Dave, and I've always said the calendar change is nothing more than like just flipping one calendar. And of course, that's an old reference because not like anybody actually uses calendars, but I think you get my point. But I do believe, from what we had guests and what I've talked to just people, we had a lot of tax selling at the end of last year, I think. A lot of people. So there actually might be a little bit of a calendar impact this year that might. I'm just trying to come up with a reason why things may flip, not just because we started writing a different date on our checks.
Sure. There's always and we, most of our clientele are high net worth individuals, so we would have done some tax loss selling at the end of the year. So certainly that could be a reason why the first few days of New Year's are often do well. So certainly there could be sort of a technical reason for that.
Yeah. All right. So what's your outlook for the year? And what are, if you had to say, the one or two key things you would put in your bullish and your bearish camps?
Outlook for the year, I think, is that things will be fine. Again, we're very long-term investors. So we've held some stocks for decades at our firm, and no way to know what's going to happen in the next, for us, even in the next 6 to 12 months. We do know that the market will probably turn up before the economy bottoms, but whether that is next week or in July, don't really know. But the long-term trends are really good. If you want to garner 10% returns from stocks in the long run, you have to be willing to take years like last year when maybe they were down 20%. So, I think earnings are still going to be pretty good. We're probably going to have some definite slowing of the economy. I think the macro signals that we see are already indicating a slower economy. We may have a recession, we may not. But you can look around, and if you have some cash, there are some, I think, good sectors to look at. You asked also about headwinds. On the flip side, there are things to worry about. We still have an ongoing war in Europe. We have COVID, China reopening. We could have a policy error if the Fed pushes too hard. We may have a slowdown in earnings. So as always, there are headwinds and tailwinds, and we tend to stay invested through those.